Hello students, good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. All of you, welcome to class 4th in Atmiya Green School. My name is Prajakta and I am your maths teacher. Now we will start lesson number 7, metric measures. So before starting our today's topic, first we will see what we had learned our last classes. So student, what we had learned our last classes, all of you know very well what you had learned. First, you had learned recall exercise. Then after we had learned the metric units. So which metric units? Length, mass and capacity. In the length, basic unit is the meter. In the mass, basic unit is the gram, and in the capacity, basic unit is the liters. Okay. So this is the small unit of the length and this is the higher unit of the length. So 10 millimeters equal to 1 centiliters. 10 centiliters equal to 1 deciliter, 10 deciliters equal to 1 meters, 10 meters equal to 1 decameters, 10 decameters equal to 1 hectometers, 10 hectometers equal to 1 kilometer. This is the unit of the length. Then unit of the mass. 10 milligrams equal to 1 centigram, 10 centigrams equal to 1 decigram, 10 decigrams equal to 1 gram, 10 grams equal to 1 decagrams, 10 decagrams equal to 1 hectograms, 10 hectograms equal to 1 kilogram. This is the unit of the mass. Then this is the unit of capacity. 10 milliliters equal to 1 centiliters, 10 centiliter equal to 1 deciliter, 10 deciliter equal to 1 liters, 10 liters equal to 1 decaliters, 10 decaliters equal to 1 hectoliters, 10 hectoliters equal to 1 kiloliter. This is the unit of the capacity. Then after we had learned this place value chart, look at here, that kilo. Okay, kilo is common in the all unit. Then hecto also common. Then deca also common. Then this is the highest unit, which kilo, hecto and deca. Then this is the basic unit, meters, grams and liter. Then this is the lower unit, deci, centi and milli. So look at here, kilo means 1000, hecto means 100, deca means 10. And meters, grams and liter, this is the basic unit means 1. Deci means, this is deca, then deci means 1 by 10, then centi means 1 by 100 and milli means 1 divided by 1000. This is the place value chart. Then after we had learned how to convert highest to lowest unit. When we are convert highest to lowest unit, that time we will do multiplication, and when we are doing lowest to highest unit, that time we are doing division. So look at here, 1 meters equal to how many centimeters? 1 meters equal to 100 centimeter. So when we are converted meter to centimeter, meter is the highest unit comparing to centimeter. So when we are converted meter to centimeter, so that time we are doing multiplication. Then when we are converted centimeter to millimeter, which centimeter to millimeter, that time we are multiply the tens, because 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Then when we are converted kilometer into the meter, when we are converted kilometer into the meter, that time we are multiply the 1000, because 1 kilometer equal to 100 meter. So this is the unit of the length when we are converted highest to lowest unit. Now when we are converted lowest to highest, lower to higher unit, so look at here, 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. So when we are converted centimeter into the meter, that time we are dividing by 100. Then 10 millimeters, how much? 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter. So when we are converted millimeters into the centimeter, that time we are dividing by tens. Then next is the 1000 meters equal to 1 kilometer. 1000 meters equal to 1 kilometer. So to convert meter to kilometer, so divided by 1000. So we are converted meter to kilometer. That time we are dividing by 1000. So this is the unit of the length. Then next is unit of the weight. 1 kilograms equal to how many grams, students? 1 kilograms equal to 1000 grams. So when we are converted kilograms into the grams, that time we are multiply the 1000, and when we are converted gram into the kilogram, that time we are doing the division, because kilogram is the highest unit is comparing to gram unit. So this is the unit of the weight. Then next unit is the capacity. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So when we are converted, liter into the milliliter, that time we are multiply the 1000, and when we are converted milliliter into the liter, that time we are dividing the 1000. So this is the unit of the capacity. Then after we had learned the addition in the metric system. Addition in the metric system. So look at here one example. Meter and centimeter. Okay, 32 meter, 78 centimeter, add with 48 meter, 35 centimeter. So look at here, 8 plus 5, 13. So 1 is carry, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 3, 13. 11. So 1 is writing here and 1 is the carry. Now how much coming here? 113 centimeter. But 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. So that's why 1 is carry on the meters. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8, 11. So 1 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So how much getting? 81 meters. 13 centimeter. So this is the addition. Then after we had learned the subtraction in the metric system. So look at here one example. Now look at here, 94 meters 8 centimeter, 48 meters 72 centimeter. Now 48 meters 72 centimeter is subtracted for 94 meters 8 centimeter. But now look at here, 8 is the small than 71. 8 is the small than 72. So we will take from meter. So we will take from the meter. So 1 meters equal to how many centimeters, students? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So we will take from 94. So 90 we will take from the 94. So that's why we are writing here 93, and 100 plus 8. 100 plus 8 we will get 108. So now 108 is the greater than 72. So now we will subtract 108, 72 from the 108 and 48 from the 93. So 108 subtract 72, we will get 36, and 48 subtracted from 98, we will get 45. So how much getting answer? 45 meter 36 centimeter. 45 meter 36 centimeter. This is the subtraction method. Then after we had learned the multiplication and division in the matrix unit. So look at here. Madhu drank 8 glasses of water in the day. If the capacity of the glass is the 250 milliliters, so how much water did she drink? Madhu, she drank a water 8 glass. Madhu, she drank water 8 glass in the whole day. Whole days. Okay. And 1 glass capacity is the 250 milliliters. So how much she drink water in whole day? So capacity, so for that we will do multiplication, because she drink a 8 glass water and 1 glass capacity is the 250 milliliter. So we want how much she drink water in whole day. So for that we will do multiplication. 250 250 milliliters is multiplied by 8. So capacity of one glass. How much capacity of one glass? 250 milliliter. Capacity of 8 glasses. Capacity of 8 glasses equal to 8 into 250 milliliters. 8 into 250 milliliter. After multiply 8 into 250 milliliter, we will get 2000 milliliter. 2000 milliliter. And 1 liters equal to how many milliliters? 1 liters equal to 1000 milliliter. So we are converted now liter into the milliliters. Now we are converted milliliter into the liter. So now look at here. So how to convert? This is milliliter is the small unit comparing to liter. So that's why we will be divided by 1000. So 2000 milliliter divided by 1000. So we will get liter and 0 is cancelled. So how much getting? 2 liters. So so we will get 2 liter. So this is the example of multiplication. Now look at, this is the example of division. Now look at example number 2. 1 kg of sweets is equally divided between the 5 friends. How much sweet? 1 kg sweets. They divide into the 5 friends. So how much did each friend get? So look at here. Here is the 1 kg and how much friend? 5 friend. So we want to do division because how much sweet? 1 kg sweets and we want to divide into the 5 friends. So that's why we will do division. So now look at here carefully. 1 kg is that not divided by 5 friends. So that 1 kg we will be converted into the gram. 1 kilogram we will be converted into the gram. 1 kilograms equal to 1000 gram. So 5 friend got 1 kg equal to 1000 gram of the sweet. 1 friend got, 5 friend got 1000 gram of the sweet. So 1 friend got 1000 gram divided by 5 equal to 200 gram. So each friend getting the 200 grams what? Sweet. So this is the division. So this is our lesson. Okay. So I hope all of you nicely understood lesson. Then now look at here page number 109. Estimating. This is the mathematics lab activity. This is the unit of the length, then weight, and this is the capacity. Okay, so this is the homework for you. Okay, you solve. So length of the, one example I am explaining, length of the pencil. So you measure the length of the pencil by using the ruler. Okay, then write here estimate value and actual value. For example, suppose actual length of the pencil is 15 centimeter. Okay, how much? 15 centimeter. Otherwise 14.5 centimeter. So actual length is the, we will count the 20 centimeter. How much? 20 centimeter. This is the estimating length. For example, this is the by using the weight, your lunch box. For example, suppose your lunch box is the weight is the how much? 1 kg. Okay, so this is the estimating value and actual value is maybe 715 grams. Otherwise less. So you count. Suppose you are have that things. So look at here. Here is writing the classroom. So in the place of classroom, you measure the your bedroom length, hall, any rooms you measure here. Then cup. Okay, capacity of cup. Suppose capacity of cup is the estimating is the actual. First actual is we will be count cup is the milliliter. Okay, 200 milliliters. Just I am imagining. Okay, but estimating is the 300 milliliter. So that's type you count. Okay, just I am that giving you. दिस इज़ नॉट करेक्ट. ओके, ये करेक्ट नहीं है, मैं अपने ही मन से बता रही हूँ. आप क्या करो, मेजर करके देखो एक्चुअल वैल्यू क्या आती है और एस्टिमेटिंग क्या आती है. एस्टिमेटिंग मतलब राउंडिंग वैल्यू. ओके, सो दिस इज द होमवर्क फॉर यू. नाउ लेट्स वी विल स्टार्ट अवर मैथमेटिक्स A for the concept and calculation skill. Question number 1. First is the filling the blanks. 1 hectometer equal to how many meters? Look at here. 1 meters equal to how many hectometer? So 1 meters equal to how many meters? So this is the highest unit. When we are converted highest unit to lowest unit, that time do multiplication. So look at here, meters and hectometers. How many distance? 1 and 2. So we'll do multiplication. 10 into 10, 100. 10 into 10, 100. So 1 hectometers equal to 100 meters because their distance have a both is the 1000. Okay. So now look at here. Hectometer is the here and meter is the here. So we are converted meter into the hectometer. So 1 meter equal to 100 hectometers. Sorry, 1 hectometers equal to 100 meters. Then next is the 1 deciliters equal to how many liters? 1 deciliters equal to how many meter? 1 deciliter. 1 deciliter equal to how many liter? So now look at here. Liter is the highest unit is comparing to deciliters. Deciliter, yes, deciliter. So when we are converted higher unit is the into lower unit, we are do division. So 1 deciliters equal to 1 by 10 liter. 1 deciliters equal to 1 by 10 liter. Then 100 centigrams equal to how many grams? How much? 100 centigram. Where is the centigram? 100 centigrams equal to how many grams? So this is the lower unit. Centigram is the lower unit is comparing to grams. So when we are converted lower to higher unit, that time we are doing the division. So 100 centigrams equal to grams. So now look at here first, centigram and gram. How much distance? 1 and 2. 10 into 2, 100. So 0 is cancelled. So 100 centigrams equal to 1 gram. 100 centigrams equal to 1 gram. 10 decagrams equal to how many meters? 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 So how many meters? 10 decagrams equal to 1. So look at here, 10 decagrams equal to 100 meters. कितना होता है? 10 decagrams meter equal to how many meters? 100 centimeters. So this is the question number 1. Then now look at here, question number 2. Convert. Okay. Now we are converting here 6 meter 25 centimeters. So now we want to convert meter into the centimeter. So student, 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So now 6 into 100 plus 25 centimeters. Okay. Now 6 into 100 centimeter, 600 centimeter plus 25 centimeter, 600 plus 25 centimeter, 625 centimeter. So we will get answer here 625 centimeter. 6 meter 25 centimeter equal to 625 centimeter. Now look at B number. 15 kilometer 50 meter. 15 kilometer and 15 kilometer equal to 50 meter. So 1 kilometers equal to how many meters? 1 kilometers equal to 1000 meter. So 15 into 1000 meter plus 50 meters. So now look at here, 15 into 1000, 15 into 1000 meter, 50,000 meter plus 50 meters, we will get 15,050 meters. How much getting? 50,050 meter. So this is B number. Okay. Now look at here, question number C. 9 kg 10 grams is converted into the grams. So now we want to convert it into the grams. So 1 kilograms equal to how many grams? 1 kilograms equal to 1000 grams. So 9 into 1000 gram equal to plus 10 grams. So 9 into 1000, 9000 grams plus 10 grams. So how much getting? 9010 grams. How much getting? 9000 grams. So we'll get here 9010 grams. Okay, this is the C number. Now look at here, question number D. 10 liters 990 milliliters. So we want to convert into the milliliter. 1 liters equal to how many? 1 liters equal to how many milliliter? 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So we'll do 10 into 1000 milliliters plus 990 milliliters. So 10 into 1000 milliliter, 10,000 milliliters plus 990 milliliters. So 10,000 milliliters plus 990 milliliters, we will get 10,990 milliliters. So how much getting? 10,990 milliliter. Okay. So this is converted liter into the milliliter. Then 5 centimeter equal to how many? 5 centimeter, 5 millimeter. So 1 centimeter equal to how many millimeters? 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. So now we will 5 is converted into the millimeters. So 5 into 10 millimeters plus 5 millimeters. 5 into 10, 50 millimeters plus 5 millimeters, we will get 55 millimeters. How much getting? 55 milliliters. Okay. Then next is the 75 millimeters. 75 millimeters equal to, now we want to convert into the centimeter and millimeter. So now look at here, 75 is converted into the centimeter. So 1 millimeters equal to how many centimeters? 1 millimeter. Now look at student in question number F. Okay. Now up to question number 5 we are that converted. centimeter is the higher unit is converted into the millimeter, means highest unit is converted into the lower unit. And when we are converted higher unit into the lower unit, higher into the lower unit, that time we are doing the multiplication. But now look at here in the question number 5, in question number F. Okay, in the question number F, now this is the millimeter. Millimeter is the lowest unit is comparing to centimeter. So when we are converted lower unit to higher unit, that time we are doing the division. So now look at here, 75 millimeters is converted into the centimeter and millimeter. So now look at here, millimeters and centimeters. Millimeters and centimeter. So 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter. 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter. So now we want to convert it. Now we want to convert it millimeter into the centimeter. So that's why we will do division, because this is we want to convert it millimeter into the centimeter. So now look at here, 75 millimeter. Now 75 millimeter is converted into the centimeters and millimeter. So 1 centimeters equal to 10 millimeters. So that's why we will divide it by 10. 75 divided by 10 millicentimeter. Now look at here, in the 10, how many 0? 1 0. So suppose we are doing division, 10 divided by 75. So we will get 10 7s are 70. Now 5 and now 5. So we will take here 0 and we will get point here, and 10 5s are 50. So how much getting? 7.5 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो जब हमें क्या मिलता है 7.5 सेंटीमीटर. 10 में कितने जीरो है? 10 में 1 जीरो है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, हमारा 5 है, उसके बाद हम पॉइंट रखेंगे. ठीक है. नाउ लुक एट हियर, जो पॉइंट के इस साइड पे है, कौन से साइड पे है? राइट साइड पे है, वो हमारा हो जाएगा मिलीमीटर. मतलब हमारा 5 बन गया है मिलीमीटर, और पॉइंट के इस साइड में मतलब लेफ्ट साइड में है वो हमारा बन गया है सेंटीमीटर. सो हमें आंसर कितना मिल गया है? 7 सेंटीमीटर 5 मिलीलीटर. ये वन मेथड है, और इसको हम दूसरे मेथड से भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. अभी हमारा 75 है, उसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे 70 + 5. ठीक है. अभी ये क्या हो गया है? मिलीमीटर्स हो गया दोनों भी. अभी ये हमारा जो मिलीमीटर्स है उसको हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे सेंटीमीटर में. तो हम क्या करेंगे? 70 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 मिलीमीटर्स प्लस 5 मिलीमीटर्स, ऐसे करेंगे. नाउ 1 0 0 इज कैंसल. 7 मीटर्स प्लस 5 मिली, 5 यहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर आता है, तो 7 सेंटीमीटर 5 मिलीमीटर. इसको हम ऐसे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, ऐसे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. इसके 2 मेथड्स है. ओके. सो यहाँ पे क्या आ गया है? 75 मिलीमीटर्स इक्वल टू 7 सेंटीमीटर एंड 5 मिलीमीटर. नाउ लुक एट हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर जी. 2101 centimeter is converted into the meter and centimeter. Okay, centimeter is converted into the meters and centimeter. Now look at here, centimeter equal to meter. Centimeters equal to meter. 1 meters equal to how many centimeter? 1 meters equal to 100 centimeter. So ये जो हमारी वैल्यू है क्या है? 2101 है, उसको हम डिवाइड करेंगे 100 के साथ. नाउ 100 को कितने जीरो है? 2 जीरो. तो हम क्या करेंगे? 21.01 कर देंगे. नाउ 21 हमारा क्या हो गया है? 21 हमारा मीटर हो गया है, और 01 लिख सकते हैं, नहीं तो इसको, और 21 मीटर्स एंड 1 क्या हो गया है? सेंटीमीटर. सो हमारा आंसर कितना आ गया है? 21 21 meter 1 centimeter, 21 meters 1 centimeter, बिकॉज 100 में कितने जीरो है, 2 जीरो है, इसलिए हमने 2 डिजिट के बाद जीरो दिया है. सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर जी. हाउ मच कमी, 21 meter 1 centimeter. Now look at here, question number H. Question number H, 8,675 meter, 8,675 meters है. So this we want to convert it into the kilometer. So meters equal to how many kilometers? 1 किलोमीटर्स इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर होता है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको डिवाइड करेंगे 1000 में. नाउ लुक एट हियर, 1000 में कितने जीरो आते हैं, 3 जीरो आते हैं. तो हमने 3 डिजिट के बाद पॉइंट दिया है. तो हमारा 675 है, ये मीटर हो गया, और 8 हमारा किलोमीटर हो गया. तो हमारा आंसर क्या आ गया है, 8 किलोमीटर 675 मीटर. इसको हम अनदर मेथड से भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. 8675 है, उसको हम 8000 प्लस 675 इसमें कन्वर्ट करके 8000 को 1000 के साथ डिवाइड करके फिर 8 किलोमीटर आएगा और 675 सेंटीमीटर आएगा. So this is the example number G and H, and that question number I and G, this is the homework for you. क्या करना है, I और J आपको सॉल्व करके देखना है. ठीक है, इसका आंसर आता है 4 किलोमीटर्स एंड 50 ग्राम्स आता है, और उसका आता है 10 ग्राम्स एंड 500 मिलीग्राम्स. इसका आंसर आता है, आपको करके देखना है. सो दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर A and B मीन्स 1 and 2, दिस राइट इन यूअर टेक्स्ट बुक. कहाँ लिखना है आपको, टेक्स्ट बुक में लिखना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, 4 वी विल बी सी इन अवर next period. I hope all of you nicely understood. Thank you and have a nice day.